Welcome to our channel. Here are 10 tips for kids' room decoration. Consider their interest. Incorporate your child's interest and hobbies into the room decor, whether it's their favorite cartoon character, sports team, or animal. Adding elements that reflect their passions will make the room feel personalized and special. Opt for bright colors. Kids are drawn to vibrant and playful colors. Use a mix of bright hues to create an energetic and cheerful atmosphere. Consider using colorful bedding, curtains, rugs, and wall art to add pops of color throughout the room. Create ample storage. Kids tend to have a lot of toys, books, and clothes. Make sure to include plenty of storage options such as shelves, bins, and baskets to keep the room organized and clutter free. This will also teach your child the importance of tidiness. Incorporate fun and functional furniture. Choose furniture that is not only visually appealing but also functional. Look for beds with built in storage, desks with adjustable heights, and chairs that provide comfort and support. This will ensure that room is both practical and enjoyable for your child. Use wall decals and stickers. Wall decals and stickers are an easy and temporary way to add personality to the room. They come in various designs and can be easily removed or replaced as your child's interests change. Let your child choose their favorite designs to make them feel uniquely theirs. Create a reading nook. Encourage a love for reading by setting up a cozy reading nook in the room. Include a comfortable chair or beanbag or bookshelf filled with age appropriate books and soft lighting. This dedicated space will inspire your child to explore the world of books. Incorporate interactive elements. Add interactive elements to stimulate your child's imagination and creativity. Hang artwork and display masterpieces. Showcase your child's artwork and crafts by hanging them on the walls or creating a designated display area. Create a study area. Set up a designated study area with desk, chair, and proper lighting to make sure that space is quiet and free from distractions. Involve your child in the process. Lastly, involve your child in the room decoration process. Let them have a say in choosing colors, themes, and decor items. This will make them feel empowered and excited about their new space.